From mapping networks to optimizing service delivery, GIS is playing a powerful role in the telecom industry. But what exactly is GIS, and how does it help telecom providers like us deliver faster, more reliable connectivity? Let's break it down. What does GIS stand for? Geographic Information System is a technology that helps capture, store, analyze, and visualize geographic data. In simpler terms, it's like having a smart, interactive map that lets telecom operators see and manage their entire network infrastructure in real time. Here's how GIS is transforming telecom at every level. GIS helps in identifying optimal locations for laying fiber, placing cell towers, and expanding coverage. It gives telecom companies a visual dashboard to track underground cables, poles, and active nodes. During service disruptions, GIS can quickly pinpoint the exact location of the fault and help technicians reach the site faster. GIS helps determine which areas have service availability, making it easier to provide accurate info to customers and sales teams. Let's take real-world scenarios. In urban cities, GIS helps avoid digging errors by overlaying fiber maps on existing infrastructure. In rural areas, it helps plan cost-effective connectivity routes through tough terrains. For 5G rollout, GIS is used to find ideal sites with high signal propagation and user density. The benefits of GIS in telecom are massive. Reduced rollout time and costs. Better network coverage and uptime. Smarter expansion into new areas. Enhanced decision-making with spatial analytics. Whether it's planning fiber routes, improving service uptime, or managing network assets, GIS is becoming the backbone of modern telecom infrastructure.